Here with a 2017 67 plate BMW 420D M Sport. Now I do have LED headlights as well as black Kinder Girls, full M Sport styling kit which includes black front splitter, side skirts, extensions, rear diffuser and rear boot spoiler. We also have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in black with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind them. Now I do have black window trim as well as privacy glass on the rear, shark fin antenna, and there's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now I do have front and rear parking sensors, and we also have dual exhaust flush with rear bumper and rear diffuser. Now if I open the boot, we do have a nice spacious sized boot with a storage net on the left hand side with 12-volt connectivity, and we also have the storage trays on the right hand side as well. Popping that back down, I'll show you the full vehicle. Now as you can see, it is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. There's a quick look at another alloy wheel, and we've got the side skirt extensions just there. Now heading inside the vehicle and go straight to the back, we do have full Dakota leather throughout. We have a storage tray in the centre as well as ISO fix points, pull down leather armrest with 2 nice size cup holders. Now on the sides we do have integrated Harman Kardon speakers as well as a little armrest just there, and we have the gloss black trim just there as well. We also have vents in the centre as well as 12-volt connectivity just there. For extra storage, we do have storage behind the driver and passenger seat. Now driver and passenger seat are also heated electric and memory front seats. Now on the doors we have electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, and again the integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside, we do have the auto lights just there. Closing the door, now foot on the brake, we do have keyless start. And as you can see, it is free from any warning lights on the dash. Now this vehicle has done just over 26,800 miles, and again it's free from any warning lights on the dash. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel, the cruise control and speed limiter just there. So as your voice commands, you can change mode of whatever you're listening to, so whether it's radio or media. You can have your phone and also turn the volume up just there. Now we have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode, as well as auto lights and auto high beam just there. Going to the centre, we do have a touchscreen satellite navigation unit, where again we have satellite navigation, we have media connectivity where we have DAB radio, scroll across we have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. You also have phone connectivity just there as well. We do have different drive modes where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. And when you're in Sport and Sport Plus, you can also view your sport displays, where you can see what kilowatts of power and newton meters of torque that you're using at the time. Now I'll pop the car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there, as you can see, just there. Putting that back into park, and then back onto map just there. Now it is touchscreen, so I'll display that for you now. You can also scroll across, see what MPG the vehicle's running. Also if you have notifications of low fuel or any warning lights, it will come up there, and obviously as you can see there isn't any, which is always good. Coming down here we do have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to with ice cold aircon. Then we also have 2 heated front seats, as I said before, which work again just as you would expect it to, and there's a nice addition for those cold winter mornings. Now we do have USB connectivity just there, as well as a storage tray. Open this up, we do have 2 nice sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity just there. Coming down here we have traction control on and off, as well as the drive mode select. You can turn your parking sensors on and off just there. Now if you put it into drive and push across, you have M and S, M meaning manual and S meaning sport, and that's for when you're driving. We have the BMW individual brush metal trim that goes along there as well on a dashboard and on either door, and this is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. So you have your touchpad on there, so if we go into navigation, you can also zoom in and out using the touchpad. You can also zoom in and out using the touchscreen function as well. Here we have a soft touch leather armrest which moves forwards and back to suit your driving position, and also has storage in there as well. We also have USB and an aux connectivity in there as well. There's a quick look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat, which has extended thigh support if you may need it. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 420d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger, and I'm now cruising at my current speed. Very easy to change the speed with that same trigger in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5. And then when I want to deactivate this, I can simply press cruise again or apply pressure to the brake, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 8th gear, down to 7th, down to 6th, down to 5th, back to 6th, 7th and 8th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us today. And it's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle as well. We've got the incredibly comfortable full leather interior with heated seats for both front passengers. Just put that back into auto there. Incredibly comfortable, happily do 200, 300, 400 miles in here with ease. We've got plenty of modern features in here as well, like electrically adjustable seats, our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, the list goes on. Plenty of great features packed into this car. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate that reverse works as it should. We're turning in just now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. We've got a visual display of front and rear sensors just there. And we are about to go for a speed bump now as well, so make sure to listen out for any sounds. There we go. And as you can hear, no sounds, no knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with us today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside and see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you'd wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in the online walkthrough, the online photos or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.